Welcome back to Speed Zone, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we'll discuss about a game changer in the compact SUV segment, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. This SUV combines futuristic design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, making it one of the most exciting releases for 2025. Whether you're an urban explorer or an off-road adventurer, the Tucson has something for everyone. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Speed Zone, and turn on the bell icon for more automotive updates. Hyundai has truly stepped up its design game with the 2025 Tucson. Up front, you've got a striking parametric grille that seamlessly integrates with the LED headlights, giving it a futuristic vibe that turns heads. The side profile features sharp, angular lines and bold wheel arches that add to its sporty look. And with new color options, like lava orange and midnight blue, the Tucson is as stylish as it is functional. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Tucson offers multiple powertrain options to suit every driver. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine delivering 190 horsepower, ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. For those seeking efficiency, there's a hybrid option with a combined 226 horsepower, giving you more power with fewer trips to the pump. And if you're all about going green, the plug-in hybrid model offers an impressive 33 miles of electric-only range. Perfect for city driving while still giving you the flexibility of a gas engine for longer trips. Add in Hyundai's HTRAC all-wheel drive system, and the Tucson is ready to tackle snow, rain, or rugged trails with confidence. Step inside the 2025 Tucson, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels both modern and luxurious. Hyundai has nailed the balance between comfort and technology. You've got a clean, minimalist dashboard with dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital driver display and one for the infotainment system. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. And let's not forget the seats. They're not just comfortable, they're heated, ventilated, and wrapped in premium materials. The rear seats even recline, making long journeys a breeze for passengers too. Safety is a top priority, and Hyundai has packed the Tucson with cutting-edge features. Hyundai SmartSense includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera for those tight parking spots. The Tucson offers a spacious cargo area with up to 74.8 cubic feet of space when the rear seats are folded down. Whether it's groceries, camping gear, or a weekend's worth of luggage, the Tucson has you covered. The base model starts at an affordable $28,000, while the top-tier plug-in hybrid model comes in at around $45,000. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Speed Zone update. Until next time, keep chasing adventure, style, and speed.